Hello students, hope you all are doing well and taking precautionary measures against coronavirus. I hope you all have understood and enjoyed my last video of chapter 1. Today we will study chapter 2 of English literature. But before starting the chapter, let's check the homework of chapter number 1 assigned to you in the previous session. Now let's have a look of the exercise that I have given you. Yes, exercise D was in homework, and in this exercise you have to find the rhyming words from the poem for the words given below. One has been done for you. As you can see, number 1 is already done for you. Like bed, rhyming word for bed is red. We'll start from the second one, that is black. Rhyming word for black is sec. Third is yellow. Rhyming word for yellow is hello. Fourth is cream. Rhyming word for cream is green. Fifth is sink. Rhyming word for sink is pink. Bite, white. Seventh is brown. Rhyming word is crown. Turtle. Rhyming word is purple. I hope you all have done this exercise correctly. Now let's start our chapter number 2. The Clever Rabbit. As you can see the pictures, this is the chapter we will be studying. As you can see, so interesting story. After the story we will be doing word power, then exercises, and then question answers. During the chapter we will come across few new words that are useful for understanding the chapter. So let's have a look on them. This is the word bank of chapter number 2. As you can see, so many difficult words are there. We will read one by one and we'll understand the meaning of them. Number 1 is jungle. Jungle, an area of land grown with dense forest where animals live. Jungle means it is an area where there are so many trees, and it is a home of animals, of different animals like lion, tiger, zebra, giraffe, deer, and so many other animals live in this jungle. Second is brutal. Brutal means a very cruel or a bad person. Third is burrow, a hole in the ground made by certain animals, example rabbits. Burrow means it is a hole that is dug by the animals so that they can live in it. Fourth is marching. Marching means to walk with regular steps in a formation like a soldier. Marching means to walk in a certain formation with regular steps, as many of you have seen in the movies also, like soldiers walk, so that is called marching. Fifth is thought. Thought, it is an idea or opinion. Sixth is rejoiced, to feel or show great happiness. Means when you are so happy, you feel so happy, or it is your birthday, you show happiness, that is rejoicing. Seventh is territory. Territory means an area, like it is your area where you are living, that is also a territory. Eighth is bounced, to reflect back from a surface. It is like when you throw a ball on the wall, it bounces back, it comes back to you, that means it is bounced back. Ninth is challenging, an invitation to fight. means when you invite someone, when you ask someone to fight with you, to take a challenge, that is challenging someone. 10th is trap, a clever plan that is designed to trick somebody. Means a plan, a very intelligent plan that is made to trick someone, that is a trap. Thanks. That's all for today. We will read the chapter in the next session. Until then, learn these difficult words, as you can see these difficult words, and practice them. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.